So hi guys, I am Kayyum, and in this video we will going to see how to use case statement in Linux. So as you can see on screen, I have opened a virtualbox section, and in that I have you want to install. So I have opened terminal on that, and we are in the current folder. I can show you. Let me show you pwd. Okay, in my own folder. So let me tell you that why we should use case statement. So as you already are familiar that we basically use to for decision making in programming we use if else statement. So in that as you know that if else statement. So for example, let me create let me create a file name as if else.sh. Change the mode to if else.sh. Okay, let gedit if else.sh. Let me explain you bin bash. Okay, so as we know that in the if else statement we make decision based on the conditions. Okay, so for example, uh, let we ask user to enter a a, then we read a. So in this for example, if a is equal to empty, if a is equal to empty, then this if a is equal to empty. So for example, if the user, that means us, enter an empty string, so it will give us in output empty. It will give us a is empty. Okay, and if this condition is false, if the a is having some characters or string, so it will print a. And finally we will finish this script. So basically we check for truth and false. Okay, using the if else statement. If this condition is true, then this block of code will execute, and if this condition is false, then this block of code will execute. So in this way the program will take place. Okay, so as we're done with it, we can check it. Let me check it. If else.sh 1, we have done something else. Gedit if else.sh. So let me check it using this. So basically we are using this. Okay, so if a is we are testing it. If a is empty, it will show us a is empty. If this condition is false, then it will show us what a is contain. So let me again execute this. Okay, a is a. Okay, again if else.sh. So as you can see that we have enter nothing in the place of a when the script asks us about entering a. So it's shown us that a is empty. So a is empty. That's why it's the script is giving us an output that a is empty. And if in the place of a we have enter something, let's say we are enter 22, okay, so the script will give us an output of 22. In this way this script will take place, okay. So basically we does condition checking in if else statement. Similarly, let me show you why we use case statement. We have created a case.sh file, then we will change its permission, okay. Let again edit this case.sh, again shebash, okay. Again ask for user input. Here echo enter option. In this we will give us a. If the option is 1, then the script should print. If the option is 1, then script should print 1. If the option is 2, then the script should print 2. And if the option is 3, then the script should print 3. And in this way 4. Again in this way 5. This would be our final. So actually if you enter 1, if you choose one of these 5 options and read them, let these options should let this input should be stored in option name variable, okay. So we are storing the above input in the option variable, okay. So here we will going to use case statement, then our variable which is option in at this place we must give the same number as we have chosen in the above, okay. So as you can see that here we have chosen like this 1, so we have given like this 1 2 then 3 then 4 and then 5, okay. So let me give first one, no, in this way. Now here we should print a 1, okay. Then for ending this line we should give double semicolon, then again 2. Similarly, yeah, 2, likewise 2, echo here, then 2, again double semicolon, then similarly 3, echo 3, again semicolon, then similarly 4, echo 4, then similarly 5, here like 5, okay, echo 5, okay, again double semicolon, then end this, okay. So in this way we can uh, choose the option among them. So we should take care about these option. Likewise you should select them as you ask to user. The first one likewise first one, second likewise second, 3 likewise 3, 4 and 5. In this way the option and the case statement option should be same. So now we did save it. Now let's try to execute it, okay. Case.sh. Now if we choose 1, it will enter 1. Similarly if we choose 2, it will enter it will give us 2. So in this way, so actually whatever you give input to this script, it will check in that case statement that uh, is the option given by you is present there. If that is present there, so it would give the output, otherwise it will not execute. Similarly let me show you, okay. You can see there we haven't given any option like 33, so it's returning us nothing, okay. like 44, it returning us nothing. So this case statement would only work if your given input is matching with the case statement. Okay, case.sh. You can see there we don't have 33 or 44 option here, so it won't give us any kind of output. So in this way we can use case statement. Okay, so hope guys this will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.